Hi, this is Cindy from Jevons Property Management. Today we will be seeing 210 S Naches Ave, apartment number 5. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment located in Yakima. We are standing right in the living room. We do have an air conditioner in here. We have the kitchen. As you can see, we have large cabinets, great for all your foods that you need to store. On to our right is the bedroom. Big closet. We have a wall heater. Now I'll take you into the bathroom. We have a bathtub with the shower. And here we have another wall heater. That concludes our video. If you have any questions regarding this property, you can call the number that's located right on the right hand side. Of course, it's 509-314-4477. Just want to remind you that there's somebody there all the time, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. They can answer any questions regarding this property or any of our properties that are on our website, which I believe you have already visited if you've seen this video. Si quieren más información sobre esta propiedad, que está localizada en 210 Sur Naches Avenida, apartamento número 5, aquí en Yakima, pueden llamar al 509-314-4477. Están disponibles las 24 horas al día, 7 días a la semana. Now, I do want to add something too. Not only is it an air conditioner, as you can see, it actually is a heater, which makes it really convenient. Just want to say that before we end this video. Once again, if you want more information, 509-314-4477. I hope this video has helped you enough to decide if you want to push forward with it and apply for the property. Have a good day.